Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Google Forms with the specific form open. This matters because permissions control image edits. Click the question or header where the picture belongs, then choose the small image icon that appears on the right or in the top header. Once done, you'll see options to upload, take a photo, search, or use Drive. Make sure to pick the correct source because each preserves resolution and sharing settings differently, which affects how your respondents see the image. Now choose the image source and upload or select the file. You do this because file location determines access and load time. If you upload from your device, drag or browse. If from Drive, confirm sharing settings so respondents can view it. Once the image is in place, use the crop and alignment controls to frame it. This matters because forms will display a fixed aspect and may clip important content. After you adjust, click Done and watch the inline preview. Finish by previewing the entire form on desktop and mobile so you catch cropping or loading issues. This ensures respondents see the visual as intended. If the image fails to show, check Drive sharing, reduce file size, or convert the file to a supported format like PNG or JPEG, because large files or blocked permissions are the usual culprits. Finally, replace or remove the picture from the same image menu if you need a different asset, and re-preview before sharing the form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.